Introducing the sleek and stylish 2020 Seat Ibiza 1.0tsi 95 horsepower FR 5-door in red. This hatchback is packed with features like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone and LED lights to make every drive comfortable and safe. With ABS, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking, you can rest easy knowing you're protected. Plus, the privacy glass adds a touch of style. Registered new in 2020, this Ibiza has been fully inspected and serviced for your peace of mind. Don't miss out on this fantastic vehicle. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie today for more information and to schedule a test drive.